In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficent, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last messenger of Allah Almighty. Honorable Chairman, respected principals, teachers, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to deliver a speech on importance of education. Education is one thing no one can take away from you. Education is super important because it helps us to learn new things, gain knowledge and skills. It opens doors to opportunities and helps us to grow as an individual. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. Education is a basic human right. It provides freedom and empowerment to everyone. It makes us independent. It provides us with a good career, a good lifestyle, a good status in the society, and makes us self-confident. It also helps us to be healthy, boost economic growth, and promote peace in the society. Eradicate poverty and remove gender discrimination and inequality. Promote women and children rights. Bring good governance. Remove corruption and many more. It is true that an educated people make an educated society, and educated societies make an educated nation. Only the educated country can take their nation to greater heights. And we must also remember that education not only means getting bookish knowledge, but it involves you having knowledge that will help you to be a better human being. At last, I would like to end my speech with a quote by Nelson Mandela. Education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.